everyone. Welcome back to Business English Desk. I'm Laura.
And I'm Jamie.
And guys, if you're new here, first of all, welcome. We're so glad you found us. And if you've been with us for a while, you already know what we're about.
We're here to make your English better, smarter, and honestly, way more fun.
Way more fun. That's literally our mission. Okay, and real quick, if you're getting something out of these episodes, just hit that subscribe button. Leave us a comment. It really means the world to us.
It genuinely does. Okay, so Laura, what are we getting into today?
Okay, so today, and I'm actually really excited about this one.
Oh, yeah?
We are talking about 3 words that English learners use all the time, but also mix up all the time.
Ooh, which 3?
Recently, lately, and currently.
Oh, okay, yeah, these ones are sneaky.
They are so sneaky because they all kind of mean not too long ago or around now, but they are not interchangeable.
Right, you can't just swap them out and expect it to sound natural.
Exactly, and native speakers will notice. Like, they won't say anything, but they'll notice.
They'll just quietly cringe.
Quietly cringe, so let's fix that today. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start with recently. Jamie, how would you describe recently?
So, recently is basically something happened not that long ago, like in the past. It's done, finished, but it wasn't like years ago.
Yes, it's past, but it's close past, recent past.
And the key thing is, you're usually using it with past tenses, like simple past or present perfect.
Right, so you'd say, I recently started going to the gym.
Or she recently got promoted.
Ooh, congrats to her.
Seriously, though. And notice, those things already happened. They're done. Recently just tells you it wasn't that long ago.
Okay, so here's a mistake I hear a lot. People say, I am recently joining a new company.
Oof, yeah, that doesn't work.
It doesn't, because recently is not for something happening right now. It's for the past.
So the correct version would be...
I recently joined a new company. Simple past. Done, finished.
Or I've recently joined a new company. Present perfect also works great with recently.
Yes, both work. Okay, so let's also talk about where recently goes in a sentence because that trips people up too.
Oh, good point. It's pretty flexible, actually.
It is. You can say, recently I started learning Spanish. Recently at the beginning.
Or I recently started learning Spanish. Recently in the middle.
Or even, I started learning Spanish recently at the end.
All 3 are correct. Recently just kind of floats.
It floats. I love that. Okay, listeners, recently, past tense, something that happened not long ago. Got it?
Got it. All right, let's talk about lately, because this one feels similar to recently, but it's actually a little different.
It is different. Okay, so lately, think of it as a pattern, something that's been happening again and again over a recent period of time.
Right, it's not just one thing that happened once. It's more like a trend, a vibe.
A vibe, yes. So, for example, lately, I've been really tired.
Not just yesterday, not just this morning, like for a while now, consistently, you've been tired.
Exactly. Or, I've been watching a lot of Korean dramas lately.
Is that personal experience, Laura?
Maybe it is. But see, that's a habit, a pattern, something ongoing over recent weeks or days.
And you'll notice lately almost always goes with present perfect continuous. I've been doing this. I've been feeling that.
Yes, have been is lately's best friend.
So you wouldn't say, I lately went to the gym.
Nope, that sounds really off.
Because lately is about a repeated pattern, not a single completed event.
Right. If it happened once, use recently. I recently went to the gym. One time. Done.
But if it's been happening over and over, lately I've been going to the gym every day.
Ooh, good example. And honestly, lately can also carry a little emotional weight, right? Like, lately I've been feeling overwhelmed.
Oh yeah, totally. It can have that heavier, more reflective feeling to it.
Like you're kind of taking stock of your life.
Exactly, like a little personal check-in.
So lately, pattern, repeated action, recent period of time, usually with present perfect continuous. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, and now, currently. Jamie, take it away.
So currently is the clearest one of the 3, honestly. It just means right now, at this moment, at this point in time.
Yes, it's present, fully present.
So I'm currently working on a big project. That's happening now.
She's currently living in Dubai. Right now, that's where she is.
And currently is great for professional situations, like on a resume, in interviews, in emails.
Oh, so good in professional settings. I'm currently seeking new opportunities. That's such a polished way to say you're job hunting.
Very polished. Much better than, I have no job, please help.
Right? But yes, currently just sounds professional and clean.
And it works with present continuous. I'm currently studying. Or even present simple for states. I currently live in Lahore.
Ooh, good point. Both work. And here's something. Currently usually sits at the beginning or right before the verb.
Right, you wouldn't really say, I live currently in Lahore. That sounds a little off.
Yeah, it floats less than recently. It likes to stay close to the verb or sit up front.
Currently, I live in Lahore. Or, I currently live in Lahore. Both great.
Perfect. Okay, so currently, right now, present moment, professional, and clean. Okay, guys, let's just line these up side by side real quick, because I think that's super helpful.
Yes, let's do it. Okay, same situation, 3 different sentences.
Go for it.
All right. I recently got a new job. That means sometime in the past few weeks or months, I got a job. It happened. Done.
I lately been really stressed about my new job, meaning over the past little while, stress has been building up repeatedly.
I'm currently working at a tech company. Right now, today, this is my situation.
See how different they are? Same topic, job, 3 totally different meanings.
It's subtle, but it really matters.
It really does. Okay, one more set. Let's do something personal. Jamie, hit me.
Okay. I recently read a really good book.
1 book. Finished it. Not long ago. Love it.
Lately, I've been reading a lot more than usual.
Pattern, habit, reading more often recently. Present perfect continuous. Yes.
I'm currently reading 3 books at the same time.
3? Jamie!
Hypothetically, I'm hypothetically reading 3 books.
Okay, but see, currently, right now, this is your ongoing situation. Perfect. Okay, let's do a little role play. Listeners, this is where you can actually practice with us.
Love it. What's the scenario?
Okay, so imagine you're at a networking event and someone asks you about yourself. How do you naturally use these 3 words?
Oh, okay, I'll go first. So imagine I'm introducing myself. Hi, I'm Jamie. I recently moved to a new city for work, so I'm still getting used to everything. I'm currently working in marketing at a mid-sized company, and lately I've been really getting into digital strategy.
Okay, that was so smooth. Did you guys catch all 3?
Recently, moved to a new city. Past event not long ago.
Currently, working in marketing. Right now situation.
Lately, getting into digital strategy, a growing pattern or interest.
That's like textbook perfect, honestly. Okay, my turn.
Go for it.
I'm currently studying for my business English certification, which is honestly a lot of work. But lately, I've been feeling really confident about it. Oh, and I recently passed my first practice exam, so fingers crossed.
Ooh, okay, that was great. And it sounded so natural.
Right? And that's the goal. We want these words to just flow out naturally, not feel like you're doing grammar homework.
Exactly. When you know the difference, it just clicks.
Okay, let's talk about some mistakes real quick, because I know there are some really common ones.
Yes, okay, mistake number 1, using currently for something in the past.
Like, I currently worked there for 2 years. Nope.
Nope. Currently is present only. If it's past, use recently or just a past tense.
Mistake number 2, using lately with simple past.
Like, lately I went to the gym. No. Lately needs that present perfect continuous energy. Lately, I've been going to the gym.
And mistake number 3, thinking recently and lately are exactly the same.
They're close, but they're not twins. Recently is one event, one moment in the past. Lately is a pattern over time. Think of it like this. Recently is a photo, one moment captured.
Oh, I love that.
Lately is a video, multiple moments, a stretch of time.
Oh, Jamie, that's actually brilliant. A photo versus a video.
I have my moments.
Listeners, write that down. Recently is a photo. Lately is a video. Currently is the live stream.
Currently is the live stream. Yes, perfect.
Okay, guys, let's wrap this up. Quick recap time. Are you ready, Jamie?
Ready.
Recently.
Past event, not long ago. Happened once, use with simple past or present perfect.
Lately.
Pattern or habit over a recent period. Use with present perfect continuous.
Currently.
Right now, this moment, present situation, great for professional settings.
Perfect. Okay, listeners, here's your challenge for this week. I want you to write 3 sentences in the comments. One with recently, one with lately, one with currently about your own life.
Yes, and we actually read the comments, so we'll be looking for yours.
We really do. And if you want more episodes like this one, subscribe. It's free, it helps us out, and you'll never miss an episode.
And if you have a topic you want us to cover, drop it in the comments. We love suggestions.
We seriously do. Okay, guys, that is it for today's Business English Desk.
Keep practicing, keep pushing.
And we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.